Welcome to our Features Guide overview for Action Manager for engaging networks. Please note that the data presented in this report is based on our demo database, but uses data from engaging networks. We have modified contact, address, and campaign data for this demonstration to protect data privacy and ensure compliance. We are really excited to show you what we've developed, so let's get started. On opening your report, you will be presented with our standard design template, which is used for all of our analytic reports. At the top of the screen, you'll find the page navigation. This is where you can quickly move between different sections of the dashboard. This report details additional analysis for broadcast emails, emails to targets, and a region summary. This specific report focuses on advocacy, but we can also provide analysis for donors, events, and memberships. Sitting just below the page navigation is a list of card metrics. These will update as you filter or drill down into your data. On the dashboard's right-hand side are additional buttons and a year filter slicer. Here we can show a list of supporters for any filtered data. Drill down by year or month. We can also reset our dashboard to its original state at any time. And finally, on the left-hand side is your filter panel. You can open the panel by clicking on the filter button. Dependent on the report page, you will be presented with a list of additional slices from which you can filter your data. We can filter our dashboard to focus on advocacy petition data, as in this example, and then close the panel to view our filtered data. Let's now look at how we can drill down into our data. First, let's open our filter panel and select Advocacy Petition as our first filter selection. Now let's see how we drill down and see our filtered data by quarter and month. We currently see the data compounded for quarters and months across all three available years, but we may want to see how our petitions performed in 2022. So let's select 2022 from our calendar slicer. Again, we can drill down into our data to see how that looks across the quarters or months. Let's compare 2 years. We can do this by multi-selecting our calendar years. It's great to see the petition data at this level, but what if we want to know how a particular campaign has performed? Again, we can select our filter panel and look for a specific campaign. The action type will filter the campaigns, so you will only see advocacy petition campaigns. We could also manually search for a particular campaign by typing into the search box. If you find something interesting that you want to share with a colleague, we can spotlight a particular visual and save this screenshot to send later. We can also focus mode any visual if you need to examine the data on a bigger canvas. As well as multi-selecting years, you can also multi-select any filter type. Let's say you want to see how Facebook and Instagram performed for a specific campaign. We can open up our filter panel and multi-select these from our referral origins. We can then focus mode to see these two specific referral origins and use the slider to see more information. Again, whilst it's great to see a visualization of this data, we wanted to make our insights actionable. That's why we added the Show Supporters option, so you can see a filtered list of your supporters and export these to Excel or CSV. You can even click through to the Engaging Networks website with our handy Open Engaging Networks link button and view the supporters' details directly there. We hope you've enjoyed our Action Manager features tour and found it helpful. Whilst today's session focused on the features of our dashboard, to help you understand more about the specific advocacy features, why not book a demo? You can also find more information on our website about our CRM-specific reports covering income, gift aid, and regular giving. We are also continually bringing new features to our fundraising dashboards, so please follow or subscribe on LinkedIn or YouTube to stay up to date with our latest information. Thanks again for stopping by.